Let's open some home decor, shall we? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my floor. I wanted to try something a little different today because I've been seeing a ton of home decor and it's something that I am personally really bad at. I'm learning though. As I teach my kids, you gotta add yet to the end. No, I'm not good yet. But I have some big changes that I wanna make to our house that I wanna do all on my own. So I kind of want to, I wanna explore it with you guys. So I figured we would start with some Amazon home decor. These are pieces that I saw online that looked really good and just a cool way of elevating a space. So I figured we could try it together and kind of see what's up with it. So if you want to see more of these like home decor kind of projects, because I have big plans for this space. We're going dark with this room. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and let's get into the unboxing part of this video. Because whilst it is open, I haven't actually gone through any of this stuff yet. Because I kind of wanted to do that together. And while we unbox some, I don't have scissors. It's fine, we'll do this one last. Wait a second, did Krista? Nice boy. He already knew that I would be struggling on that end. So we're gonna start with the bedroom because this is sort of the filming space as well as my sleeping space. So we started with this, and don't mind the mess, I was just kind of taking it so I could fiddle with it in Photoshop, as I do with absolutely anything because I'm a very visual person. But now it looks kind of like this, and I wanna keep this spaces looking fairly distinct so that there is sort of a filming area and then there's a sleeping area, you know? But I really like the modern organic movement within sort of the home decor space. But I also kind of like sort of like a luxe hotel kind of look, like lots of textures, lots of like calm and peaceful kind of a space. Less white and gray, maybe more charcoals, browns, blacks, creams, that kind of thing. And we're gonna start, ooh, I forgot about this. Actually, you know what? We're gonna save this one for later because I actually need something for this one. Hold on. Like how I like went through that whole thing and I was like, no, not yet. That's okay, because we're gonna go on to, oh, this thing. Okay, this isn't something that's like super new, but it's new to me and it's something that I haven't bought, but I think I saw someone on Instagram was talking about. I'll put it here, and I saw her using this and it looks so pretty, and it's just like a tissue box, Kleenex box cover. Like it has this sort of almost, like leather look to it, and it's very clean, very simple, and it just like fits over top. And I just want to see if it looks good and if it works, and it has like a little Velcro thing at the bottom so it stays put. Ooh, I'm excited about this. You know you're in your 30s when you get excited about Kleenex box covers. Hang on. Got this one off of my side table, but I want to use it for downstairs. So we're actually gonna bring this downstairs and put this in my office together. It's gonna fit over top. I know it's so stupid to be excited about this, but I'm so excited. It just looks so elegante. Look at that. It fits really nicely. I think it had a couple of different colors too, and they also have like square ones. Tell me that does not look better. I know, but I'm excited about it. And I'll link everything down below in case you're interested too. And it feels nice too. I wanna get like, sort of like, can you see the texture in here? Like look at the texture on that. It looks good. Like it looks expensive. So I like this. That's a tick mark for me. The next one we can kind of look at sitting down. Okay, I saw this, I think maybe Laura Lee. I think Laura Lee had mentioned this one in her home, or she has it in her home. And it looked really pretty. And it's those like wooden links, and you can use them as sort of a medium to large piece that can sit in a bowl or could sit on top of a stack of books. And again, with everything off of Amazon, I wanted to get a sense of like, does this look and feel expensive, or does this feel cheap and doesn't add anything to the space? Because that's always the thing with Amazon with home decor for me. I don't know what I'm gonna get. And this is this actual wood? I think it's actual, like, it's not hollow or anything. Okay. It's very simplistic. We're gonna style it, I think, downstairs because I think it's gonna be too dark for my backdrop thing here. But I think that's gonna look so good downstairs. Okay, we're gonna take this downstairs with the Kleenex box and the partridge in a pear tree. And then, oh, okay. So curtains. This, we're gonna need Chris for this one because I'm gonna need his help to fix our curtain. Okay, so first I have to show you what our curtains look like. It's not great. I'm gonna say it out loud right now so you know, I know they look bad. They're not right. I just need to get it out of the way. So here we have the current curtains. So you can see they're just hung like so, and they don't even sit against the floor. These are from our old house, and we just stuck with them because like whatever. But now we have some new ones, and also people have been hanging their curtains like track curtains from the ceiling, and I think that looks so good. So Christopher is gonna help me to hang these properly because I will butcher it. So I got a ceiling mount that's sort of like a stick to the ceiling kind of thing. So we're gonna see if that works. And I got floor to ceiling curtains, and it's from Half Price Drapes. And the ones that this one girl on TikTok, I'm obsessed with her style. It's the avant-garde. I believe her name is Julie or Julia, and she swears by these linen drapes, and they look beautiful. So I'm really excited to see if they work. Actually, it's not gonna be this one. It's gonna be this one. I had to go and get something for one of the other products. Well, Christopher takes this one down, and we're gonna see if like just what the difference looks like, because it looks so cool in the videos. So I want to see what it looks like in this space. So here we go. Thank you, Christopher. Okay, now we're outside. While Christopher is doing the curtains, we're going to be getting some flowers. We are currently at my parents' place right now, and they have a beautiful garden, and they have some hydrangeas. So I'm going to pick some. Like, look at that. Look at this garden. It's so beautiful. I'm wearing my dad's flip-flops. With socks, of course. So embarrassed. Okay, let's get some of these guys. Just walk along here and try not to fall to my death. All in the name of home decor. Oh my goodness, there's a bumblebee in that one. Okay, I need to be a little bit more careful when I'm picking these. What about you? You look good? Nothing in you? All right. Maybe you. You as well. You look good. Look how cute that is. I'm not even entirely sure that this is my aesthetic, but I couldn't resist when I saw it. It's just a little vase for freshly cut flowers, and I just really wanted to be that person for a moment. So let's put some of these hydrangeas in here, shall we? See what it looks like. Ooh, it's a scroll in here. Going to Hogwarts or something? What is this? Okay, all right. This is all like hand-blown glass. Wow, that's very cool. Let's get to trimming these, shall we? I like to take most of the leaves off of these when I'm trimming them up. Always cut hydrangeas on an angle under hot water. Oh my gosh, it's a bug. It's a bug, it's a, ah! The thing with bugs that fly. Christopher. I hate it. I hate it so much, thanks. I hate it. Don't go near my camera, ah! All right, it's okay, Chris is averted. Let's fill this with water and get these flowers in here. Stop, that's too freaking cute. Okay, I think it needs to be a little bit shorter. That's so cute. It's like I went to the market. Ah! Well, that doesn't bode well. What if it's like more upright? You know? How does it look when there's some on both sides? Because this isn't like a traditional, oh, I don't know how I feel about that. It feels a little like X-Men, you know? X-Men, floral arrangements. Yeah, that, I don't know. I don't like that. I don't like that. Okay. This guy's too big. I like how this video just turned into me making flower arrangements. These leaves are too big. Too big. All right, maybe you need to be a little bit more upright. Okay, all right. How are we feeling about this? I am on the fence. I'm on the fence. So this is my, start of arrangement. Now I can probably make this one shorter and like do a couple more that are more like down here, But they keep tipping out. This is my one from like 2 weeks ago. Do we like it more floofy all over like a broccoli, or do we like it to the side? Like I just picked this up from Paris, I think that this looks better with more of like a droopier flower, maybe like a tulip. Then you get more of that sort of like shopping bag, got a bunch of flowers kind of effect. I think the hydrangeas are a little too stiff. I think it's pretty. I don't think this is the right flower for it. Like I've even been trying to like, maybe it's fewer flowers. Maybe I've just been overfilling because that's what I like to do with flowers. I just like a lot of flowers. Maybe that's better. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think of this, and what you think of this in terms of like a decor piece, because it's very beautiful. It's just, it needs a certain je ne sais quoi, Christopher, what are you doing?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 each.
We're putting these, this is what the curtains are going to hang on.
I'm just threading these little hooks on, and that should do it.
It's so little, like it's so thin. I thought for whatever reason it was a lot thicker than that.
I also thought so.
So we'll see.
See how good this tape is.
But now let's get into the curtains. I got rice white because it just looked really good and I thought it might match the carpet well, but I'm really excited because I don't know if you know this, but curtains are expensive. And what I really want is this color in the downstairs, but they don't have the height in stock of the ones I need, so I figured we'd try it upstairs first. I got like a good weight to the hi Christopher. They feel really nice quality. These are really nice. Also worth noting, they don't smell bad, which is sometimes a thing with curtains apparently. They feel really like thick and soft and like luxurious. Oh, I'm excited. This, by the way, is the rice white. It's sort of got this bit of ivory with like a lighter ivory on top. It's not white. It's just like a soft tone. Like it's, I can't even explain it. It's really pretty and really soft. And I love the texture of the linen. So I'm really excited to put this up. Chris and I, it's now nighttime. We finally put up this in place. So now we just have to wait for it to sit for a little bit and then we can put up the curtains. Hold on. All right, I stuck them up. This is a different day. Totally forgot to film this. I don't love how this looks right now. Like, again, I don't think the color's right. I'm actually gonna move these downstairs, I'll show you. But I'm not sure how I feel about the track system. And maybe it's just the way that they're hung right now. So I think I'm gonna like hang more of the hooks up and see what that looks like and see if that changes my mind. Because right now, I don't know, that looks kind of cheap. Does this look better? I think that looks better. You need to figure out how to like fix that edge thing so it tucks under. I've never hung curtains on a track before, can you tell? And it's like not even. They have to be like perfectly evenly spaced, which is why that bump is there. It's annoying me. But I did bring one of the panels downstairs. So like our curtains right now, they have like navy on the bottom. Whoa, there we go. So I put these, they like obviously the length isn't gonna work here, but I just wanted to see what it looked like in terms of the color. Oh, it's so hard to see. It's so bright in this room. So they're just a little bit softer, but you can see the texture through the window, which I think looks really cool. And overall, I really like them. And I think I'm gonna keep them and just get the longer size for down here, because I think that looks a lot better than the ones I have. I think it's just gonna add like a really nice texture and look to the room, and I might move the curtain rod up higher. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Okay, next thing I want to show you guys is a soap dispenser. And I can't remember if we've talked about this on YouTube or not, but it's a foaming hand dispenser and it creates this like really pretty flower shape when you like pump it on your hand. Hang on. So I just rinsed it and now we're gonna fill it with hot water. And we're gonna use one of my favorite, these are the Blue Land soap refills. I love these things. Too much. Do like that, okay. And then drop in the soap. We haven't tried this one yet. This is one of their summer scents that I bought. I bought all these, by the way. This isn't sponsored. I have worked with them before though. So we just gotta wait a minute while that finishes, you know, doing its thing. So it looks like this. Then we put the little pump thing on top. Oh, you can't see that. Like so. There we go. That's easier to see now. And then, oh my gosh, look at that. It's a little flower. It smells really nice too. It's so cute. Oh my goodness, I cannot. That's adorable. Plus, I don't know, that kind of looks kind of cool, right? I kind of like it. All right, now I need to bring you over to this interesting collection of things. My original vision was to have that painting here, but now I have this big empty wall and this like weird empty space here. So I'm thinking big plant and then like some bigger chair with like a side table. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. But anyway, on here, I was just sort of like fiddling with stuff because I find that usually, again, visual person, I need to see things. But I found this at Bouclair, which is like, it's a nice piece. I liked the sort of wrought iron effect here. These are all Christopher's books, which I think just adds an extra, like a fun touch that I think is important in design. But let's see what these look like instead in the bowl, which is how I see most people sort of design them. Okay, it's not bad. It's not my favorite though. So like just the angle maybe. Is that better? I think it's too thick. It needs to be on like a book or something. Hang on. Let's bring this over to my desk up here. What if we just move this and then put this on top? I don't know. Maybe like this. I don't know how I feel about this. I was really excited about it, but I'm just very like, I don't know what to do with you. I think the pieces are just so round and linked together. I think that they would work better if they were a little bit more oval. I think that would make it a little bit easier to style, but maybe that's just me. Put it in my, I have so many bowls. That's not too bad. It's just, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to think of this. It's not my favorite, but like it's good quality if you can think of something you can use it for. Then this fits perfectly down here. I normally have like picture frames and stuff, but like in terms of like aesthetic, you know, it kind of fits the theme. It is a little bit tall, just as a heads up in case you have like a taller Kleenex box. I don't know. You can see how much space there is there. Just worth noting, it hasn't made it difficult to take out Kleenex or anything. Just again, a note. I really like it though. All right, now another thing that I've noticed a lot in like the interior design world that seems to make a huge impact is under cabinet light. That or like right along the back with like the track thing, like chef's kiss, it's amazing. So Chris and I got some LED, like neutral white, like an LED bar to put under our cabinets here because it's so dark sometimes back here in the RachhLoves Life videos. So we're in the process of installing these ones and we're gonna see if they look any good. I like how I say we are installing them, Christopher.
Yeah, we're installing them together.
We're installing them together.
Good.
Okay.
So
Look how bright. Oh, I was just gonna say, look how bright these are. Wah wah.
there you go.
Look at that. These are wild. These are not like those lights that were trending on TikTok in 2020. These are legit. I think this is gonna look so much better under here. This is not doing it justice at all, but I think it's gonna look really cool. Okay, hang on. Let's install these first. Okay, tell me that does not look so much better. Now we need to put it on over here, but just ignore that for a second. That looks really good. I really like that. I think it's gonna look really good in my RachhLoves Life videos. So let me know when you see it. Let me know what you think. But we are absolutely, like, we've already put in an order to get some more for back on this side as well so that everything matches. But I think it just adds a really nice brightness to the kitchen in the evening. So big thumbs up for me. I love it. All right, a product arrived that I didn't expect to get, and I thought I was just like gonna miss this video, so I'm throwing it in. By the way, I'm organizing this closet. If you're on Instagram, you know. When you know, you know. And I saw this vase and I was like, oh, that looks so cool. It looks really textured. I can't remember who I saw that was like talking about this vase. I'm seeing it now in person. I think I'm gonna return it. It's not really my style. I think that the like the quality of it, like it's a vase, but it's sparkly. I thought it was just kind of a texture kind of a moment in line with like what my carpet looks like. But no, it's like gold and shiny, so that's not really the look that I'm going for this. So this is going to be a return. Let me know in the comments, have you bought any home decor off of Amazon that you really love? Leave me a comment down below. I would love to know what it is because I'm very excited about just the whole process of pulling together my home and just making it into our style, you know? And as always, I will put the links to all of the pieces that I talked about today down in the info bar below, so you can go and check those out if you are interested. And check out these videos on the side in case you have missed any. I hope you guys are having a fantastic, fantastic week, and I will see you guys all in the next one.